Welcome to iFixScreens, Dix Hills. Need help fixing your gadgets? We are your local one-stop shop for all types of electronic device repairs you need. If you have a broken iPhone, Samsung, MacBook, or any other device, let our experts get it working again. Here, you'll get same-day repairs for any repair needs, including iPhone repairs, Samsung repairs, MacBook repairs, and smartwatch repairs. You can also ask us about our best-in-class gaming console repairs that include Nintendo Switch repairs, Xbox repairs, or PlayStation repairs. At the iFixScreens Dix Hills store, you are sure to get the lowest cost of repairs. Be it screen repair or battery replacement, we've got you covered. Our experts are certified to provide the best-in-class repair services for your old as well as the latest model devices like the iPhone 13 Pro or even MacBook Air. We make sure the parts we use are high quality and OEM compliant. That's why we offer a 180-day warranty against manufacturer defects on all repairs performed by our certified technicians. So next time something goes wrong with your device, don't panic, just head on over to iFixScreens, Dix Hills. If you're looking for a cell phone or console repair shop that will surely get your device working like new, call us at 631-824-6644. Or go to our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/dix-hills-ny. We look forward to providing you with the lowest repair costs for your electronic devices.